Hello and welcome to Toys Are Evil. This is the badge. I used to do this like a few years back when I show off the badge. Anyway, decided to go on live immediately once I purchased these figures because I wanted to unbox NORI Youth Lookbook, Just a Girl Youth Lookbook. Latest from Pop Mart and Aragon, designed by Aragon and Just a Girl series. And you see from here, I've already opened 3 boxes, 2 on my YouTube and 1 on my time lapse. So this, my 4th and final, I mean, I wish I could have gotten more, but my 4th and final blind box. I wanted to unbox on live on Instagram. As much as I wanted to get the entire box, 1, couldn't afford. 2, there were 9 boxes to a case. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11, sorry. I was thinking it was 12, 13. But if it's 11 to a set, I was unsure if I get the box of 9, I could get the entire series. Or maybe 8 plus 1. I don't know. So anyway, couldn't afford to splurge and indulge, so I just got 4 and enjoy myself from here on in. This is the box. This is the sticker that locally in Singapore, once you purchase, they'll stick this on to show that it's been purchased. But anyway, this is the box. This box is different from the previous blind box packaging, Just a Girl packaging, where it was more longitudinal, rectangular. Sorry, like VHS tapes. You check out my videos on my reel and also on my blog, on my YouTube as well. So now they've gone back to a regular squarish blind box. So let's have a look at what's inside before I talk about the rest of the figures. Nice youth lookbook. Pretty sturdy ripping into this, surprisingly. And I realize I'm telling myself not to race through this unboxing and just enjoy it. Take out the bag. I won't see the card inside. There are cards inside. Let me show you the cards that I had prior. So these are the cards inside. So they will give away what the figure is. Yeah. So I will not open up this box yet. We'll see it later. Ta-da! Cute, great art. Anyway, focus on the box in hand, the pack in hand. Well, this one I've been trying to rip into, finding a proper way. Yeah, the head is here, the leg is here. So let's open this up. Yeah, they've gone back to the regular blind bag style of packaging. Black hair. Nice matte black hair. Let's do it like this. Ooh, okay. It's the curl. Ta-da! Okay. Let's have a look at the figure. Do a quick turnaround. I'm curious about the gender. We look at the figure first, then we look at the card and see what name is on the card so we can identify the figure. Cute. I mean, the animation illustration style is unique to Aragon and Just a Girl series. Can stand. Check out the box. The cards come in 2 pieces. One is a cartoon, comic, manga-ish card, and the character card, the name. Let's look at the character card first. Just a Girl, NORI. Cool kid. So if I were to assume cool kid is a dude, this would be the first Just a Girl dude. But no, I don't think so. It is. Is this like a hairband or just a hair? I'm so confused. I feel very ignorant now, but it's so pretty. I love the little blush. Maybe take this opportunity to look at the paintwork application for this figure, and then we'll see the rest as well. You can see the little blush. I don't know if you can see it on camera here. And it's subtle and very well done. You can see, like the other figures that I'll show you later, it's a mixture from matte body and also glossy shoes, shiny shoes. Bit of gloss on the socks as well. So it's a mixture of matte and gloss, and I really appreciate that. Let's put this aside and let's look at the other figure. Like for this figure that I opened up in my YouTube video, you can see glossy hair, pair of glasses, which is I love glasses, and glossy top, glossy skirt, and also glossy shoes, except for the body matte. So you can see the difference here. Let's look at this figure, and yeah, it's matte all the way, matte, a little bit of highlight, paint highlight, but it's matte top, skirt, a little blush on the knees. Yeah, very cute toy experience. And also glossy shoes and socks. I think this is a scrunchie. If it is, I think it is very cute. So this is her, and have a look at this figure. Matte again, matte all the way. It's not flocked, but it feels, you can feel the texture. I mean, not texture. The feel of it is not like it's not flocked. I don't know how to describe it. I'm at a loss for words because I think they're adorable. Again, matte all the way, matte until its socks a bit glossy, shoes glossy. Here we can see here. So nice. So it's a mixture of matte and gloss, and I really enjoy that about this series. Let's put this here, and let's look at the card. Look at the comic. I assume this is the front page. So no text, dude singing. I need to check. So if you're watching this, Aragon, and if you can understand what I'm saying, is this a dude or lady? Because I assume this is the all-girls school. Again, I don't know, and I feel ignorant by saying all this, but I see all the ladies in line, so maybe it's just a short-haired lady. Yeah, cool kid. So ambiguous. Actually, it doesn't really matter. I mean, it matters if I want to put a label to it. Then it's like, oh, this is the first dude in the series, or just a girl. But if I'm wrong, it's egg in my face. It's just a cute-looking lady with short hair, and it's cool. I mean, that you can see the difference, because if it's just like, let's say, any of these hair, right? You don't really see the seams. Yes, you do see the seams here. So it's like this. You see the gloss, as opposed to matte hair and different hairstyles, faces. So yeah, dude, I need to. Or maybe I'll bug you on Twitter lah. Sorry, on X. You want to call it X? But that's the seam here. If this could easily be a hairband, then that'd be pretty cute. But then again, maybe I'm just harping too much on that. I've worn hairband, my fair share of hairband when I had shoulder length hair back in the day. Yeah, before my stroke. Actually, recently as well. But I stopped wearing hairbands because it just pulled at my hair. But having said that, it's cool lah. Don't talk so much lah. Maybe I'm talking too much. It's just about toys, and it should be just about toys. And these are my 4 figures that I've purchased and pulled from Pop Mart's NORI Just a Girl series. This is the card, and awesome lah. As much as I would love to own the entire series, I always say that I collect themes, so I constantly say that. So, but reality and dreams are different. What does it say here? 春天. Yeah, it's my Mandarin is horrid, so I can't really read as much as 气手. But then again, this is in Japanese, so I'm again egg in my face lah. But anyway, this has been my unboxing of NORI's lookbook, youth lookbook, and yeah. Any questions, I'll see in the comment section. If not, I will just end this live and I'll go straight to upload this onto my regular reels so anybody can see. And you can check out unboxings for 2 other figures on my YouTube, and also as well the time-lapse unboxing also on my YouTube. Yeah. That's it. Okay. I'm happy. Thank you all for watching. Ooh, ding dong ding dong ding dong. Thank you all for watching. Oh, clumsy. Thank you all for watching. And I will end this live and I'll take some still snaps because this is cool. And yeah, have a great weekend ahead. I'll come back maybe tomorrow with what's in the box, but we'll see how. Bye bye.